Today it is a traditional South Indian recipe. It is Bisibelebath. In the cooker, I'm going to pour in the water. Now the water is hot enough. I'll add in the lentils. It is the Toor dal. I have washed and kept the rice. Adding the rice. I'm going to add in few vegetables. Vegetables could be of your choice. With this, a little bit of oil and some turmeric. Now I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to give it for 2 whistles. Now it's the time to add the rest of the ingredients. I've taken some tamarind paste. I'm going to add in some water. Now after switching on the hob, I'm going to add in the tamarind. Here I'm using the ready Bisibelebath powder, little Garam Masala and Jaggery, salt to taste, desiccated coconut. You can do a bit of seasoning, some ghee, few mustard seeds, few curry leaves. We can allow it for a few more seconds. With the traditional recipe of Bisibelebath, we made it into a one-pot meal. Yummy Bisibelebath, ready in minutes with some crisps and some curds. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.